Hello, welcome to English with Tom. Today we're starting a new series of vocabulary and pronunciation and looking at some useful phrases, hedging phrases. But first, let's check the English with Tom channel, shall we? Let's have a look. Okay, everything seems Huh? What's that? How many subscribers? Whoa. 666. Ah! Do you know what does the number 666 mean? What does the number mean? Any idea? Wow! Some people say that 666 is the number of the devil. Some people say that 666 is the number of the devil. Wow! So yeah, maybe now I have 666 subscribers. The devil is going to appear. Ah, some people say, um, all right, this is the kind of phrase we are going to look at today. And it's called hedging. So hedging phrases help to put distance between the speaker and what they are saying. This is useful in presentations, in academic English. Also, if you're talking about things that are maybe not always true, some people think, but not everybody. Or if your opinion is maybe a bit controversial, then it's a way of saying, oh, not me. It's you're putting a bit of distance. Let's have a look. So if you said 666 is the sign of the devil. So is, that means it is, right? It's 100%. 666 is the sign of the devil. But is it the sign of the devil? Maybe I don't believe so. So some people say that 666 is the sign of the devil. Not me, but some people say. Not all, not everybody, not everyone says that, but some people say that 666 is the sign of the devil. So it's a useful phrase. So let's have a look at some more. So some people say that blah, blah, blah. Okay, say, we can change say for different verbs. Pause the video, have a quick think. What other verbs can you replace? Can you switch with say? Some people say, some people think. Okay. Here are some more ideas. All right. Some people say that blah, blah, blah. Some people think that. Some people believe that. Some people claim that. Some people argue that. Some people suggest that. Okay, these are just maybe the most common ones. There are more verbs you can have there. In the comments, leave some more if you can think of more ideas. Repeat after me. Some people say that. Okay, pause the video and try and say those phrases. Change the verbs. Some people say that. Some people believe that. Okay. Okay, and if you want to put more distance, even more distance, we use the passive voice. So the passive voice is when the object becomes the subject. So It is said that. It is important, not some people. So it is said that, blah, blah, blah. It is said that by some people, but by some people is not important. It is important. It is said that, blah, 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 blah. How has the verb changed? So before, some people say, it is said. How about think? Some people think, it is thought. Okay. Repeat after me. It is said that, it is thought that, it is believed that, it is claimed that, it is argued that, it is suggested that. Okay. And the passive voice is, it's more hedged, it's more distant, and actually it's good for academic debates, presentations, essays. It's good to use this kind of phrase. So it is said that we should blah, 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 blah. Pause the video, try those phrases, change the verb, and repeat after me. It is said that. Okay. So we were talking about 666 being a sign of the devil. This is known as a superstition. A superstition. So what is a superstition? So a superstition or superstitions are things people believe that don't have much proof or evidence. For example, good luck. Some people think that a four-leaf clover should be green. Picture's not green. Some people think that a four-leaf clover is good luck. Bad luck. Ooh, it is said that the number 666 is the sign of the devil. Is it true? No, we don't know, but probably not. But these are superstitions. Good luck and bad luck. Every country, every every language, every place has their own. So today, to practice, let's look at some more unusual, strange UK superstitions. Question: are there any superstitions in the UK around animals? Animals. Ah, okay. Yeah. Some people say that getting pooed on. Some people say that getting pooed on by a bird is. What do you guys think? Good luck? Bad luck? Let's have a look. The answer is good luck. Yes. Some people say that getting pooed on by a bird is good luck. However, I disagree. But some people say that. Okay, next. Question: are there any superstitions in the UK around things? Things like paper, mirror, pen, wood, metal. Let me think. Ah, yes. Okay, some people believe that putting new shoes on the table is actually my mother. My mother believes that putting new shoes on the table is, what do you think? Good luck? Bad luck? How about in your country? Okay, the answer is bad luck. Really? Some people, my mother believes that putting new shoes on the table is bad luck. However, nah, that's just superstition. I disagree. But some people believe it. How about in your country? Is it the same? Is it true? Question: are there any superstitions in the UK around actions? Actions, things people do. Actions. Walking. I know in Japan, some people say that cutting your fingernails is bad luck if you do it at night. But in the UK, yeah, I remember one. Okay. It is claimed by some that saluting a single magpie, that's this kind of bird, a magpie, it is claimed by some people that saluting a single magpie is what? Is it good? Is it bad? What do you guys think? Oh, it stops bad luck. So if you're walking along the road, driving your car on the bus, and you see a magpie in a garden, you gotta salute. It is claimed by some that saluting a magpie stops bad luck. Really? Okay. I think I'll do it just to be sure. It's easy. Quick salute, just to make sure. So yeah, it is claimed by some that saluting a magpie stops bad luck. How about in your country? Is it the same? Okay. Are there any superstitions in the UK around numbers? Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know in casinos, 7. Is it lucky 7? I think some people say that in casinos, 7 is good luck. I know. It is thought that 666 is the sign of the devil. Oh no, my YouTube channel is cursed forever. It is thought that 666 is the sign of the devil. It is thought that 666 is the sign of the devil. Yabai. Oops, Japanese. There you go. All right. So just pause the video, have a think. In the comments, let us know, are there any superstitions around animals, things, actions, numbers, colors, days or dates in your country? Like a Friday the 13th it is thought that Friday, or it is said that Friday the 13th is a bad luck day. Colors. I know in China, it is believed that red is good luck. Yeah. How about in your country? Leave a comment. I'd be very, very interested to know. Yes. Okay, great. That's it for today. I just thought I'd make a quick video for reaching 666 subscribers. Just got to be careful that this guy, the devil, doesn't come for me. All right, guys, thank you very much. Leave a comment about your superstitions in your country. See you next time. Bye-bye.